Managing blood sugar doesn't have to be complicated. By making small, consistent changes to your daily routine, you can take control of your health and feel your best. Hello everyone. Welcome to Dr. Fit Facts Academy. Today we will discuss 7 simple yet powerful steps to maintain blood sugar levels for a healthier life. 1. Engage in regular physical activity. Incorporate at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming, into your daily routine. Regular physical activity helps improve insulin sensitivity and aids in blood sugar control. 2. Monitor carbohydrates intake. Be mindful of the types and amounts of carbohydrates you consume. Opt for complex carbohydrates like whole grains, legumes, vegetables, proteins, fruits, etc., which have a lower glycemic index and cause slower blood sugar rises. 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking sufficient water helps maintain blood sugar levels by aiding kidney function and reducing the risk of dehydration-induced blood sugar spikes. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily. 4. Prioritize quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Poor sleep can affect insulin sensitivity and blood sugar levels. Establish a regular sleep schedule and create a restful environment to improve sleep quality. 5. Manage stress effectively. Chronic stress can lead to elevated blood sugar levels. Incorporate stress-reducing activities such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. 6. Eat balanced meals. Include a mix of proteins, healthy fats, and fiber-rich carbohydrates in your meals to prevent rapid blood sugar spikes. For example, pairing lean protein with whole grains and vegetables can provide sustained energy and better blood sugar control. 7. Avoid sugary beverages. Limit consumption of sugary drinks like sodas and fruit juices, as they can cause rapid increases in blood sugar. Opt for water, herbal teas, or beverages sweetened with non-caloric sweeteners. Implementing these simple steps into your daily routine can help maintain healthy blood sugar levels and contribute to overall well-being. Please like, subscribe and share Dr. Fit Facts if you find these lectures as per your need. Thank you.